2012 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, front, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, child safety locks, passenger airbag on-off switch, power door locks, power windows, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag, daytime running lights, brake assist, intermittent wipers, front reading lamps, variable speed, intermittent wipers, rear reading lamps. Come take a test drive today.